that you have lots of talent. Now, Canadians, they have already proved at all fronts that they have no successor other than Canadians. So, well, I think you have done good, but still there are long journey and you have to prove yourselves in a certain manner. What I feel is that we did our best and the product, the graduating engineers from NE, they are the best and they'll remain best. There are different reasons for it. The efforts we made over the last 4 or 5 years continuously, including the change in the curriculum, the attendance, the pattern, the practicals you conduct in the laboratories. We rehabilitated the laboratories. So everything else, got rehabilitated, and definitely the product will be better. So I think things have improved. We should look forward and we should better be prepared. As far as the presentation is concerned, well, if you have power, nothing can hinder from presentation. If you have really something to present, you can present. If you do not have anything to present, you cannot. So basically, it's just nothing like multinationals. Well, when they employ engineers from NED or elsewhere from Pakistan, multinationals, they really don't give much of the chance to work as an engineering professional. Instead, they want peripherals. So either you represent as a sales agent or something like that. Not many of the brilliant students are not interested in that. And, well, they simply organize, pass on the brochures, they present the products which they receive, end products, like what we have seen in different companies like Siemens, Philips. No technical know-how, no engineering design is done within Pakistan. Ultimate final product is being sold here, so for that they need a presentable person first of all. Not like a very genius, very intelligent design person. If at all they need, they will have to place them in West Germany. So that's why probably they said that you need to be better presentable. So presentation can be important, yes, of course. But there are other aspects. Every aspect had to be looked into, and there may be deficiency in some of the directions. There is always room for improvement, and we will concentrate for some of the directions which the students have pointed out. So we will most probably come out with a healthy environment and healthy, improvements. So I think, well, as far as this function is concerned, that was really good. And, well, the thrust that they had no chance of presentation, I think we had lots of functions in NED, and we are holding much more functions than what we had some 4 or 5 years ago. So there are chances for them to be groomed, to have a training of presentation. So as far as I am concerned, I feel that we gave enough opportunity, but still we will consider, and I hope through our class advisors and all and course teachers, there will be more opportunities. So as things will be better, there will be better things. So I think there's nothing more to say. So thank you for calling me here.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, for those words of advice. If you could please sit down, everybody. I would like all my fellow students to please sit down. Please observe Vice Chancellor Abul Kalam Sahab to come and say a few words. We'll be really grateful, sir. Thank you.
My colleagues in the faculties and in the university, and young ladies and gentlemen, students especially of the final year electrical engineering department. I am extremely happy that this function has been held. I have always been keen on useful activities and legitimate avenues for young people letting off steam. In fact, when I came into this university, I was quite depressed at the lack of activity because of the various difficulties which had existed here. What my young friend Jameel has said is something with which I am entirely in agreement. I no doubt Dr. Saraz Altaf has given his point of view. The point which all of us have to understand is that everyone in the university has a role to play. The students who come here, we are responsible to their parents and guardians that we should do our best while they are here for 4 years. It is their duty to their own parents, forget about us, to study and to look after their careers. But Jameel was quite right that as far as presentation was concerned, that is something which has been missing, at least partially, in this university. And the reason for that is clear. One should not miss or fail to acknowledge one's deficiencies. The work of the Electrical Engineering Department, as represented by the chairman, was to give his students the best possible education. We get in this university, by God's grace, probably the best students in Pakistan. It is naturally our responsibility to give them as good a training and education as is possible. That is the role of the chairman and his team of teachers. They have done that. Apart from that, the next is the ability to give, to communicate, to talk to others. The weakness of engineers, not only here, but in Pakistan, has been our inability to present our point of view to non-engineers, especially to our employers. So, after reducing the conditions in this university to a state of peace in which it was possible for normal academic activities to be conducted, the next role was to concentrate on business communications, which we have tried to do. Regarding presenting themselves of the graduates, I am fully conscious, and I take the responsibility. It is not that of the chairman, not of the dean. The question of presentation